kind of want to film this. This is really unique in Macau. I haven't really seen this, but there's like a big parking garage right here. So I guess these are all different apartments, and they're kind of right up against a mountain here as well. So let's just kind of take a look. And you can also see the way some of them get staggered. But yeah, this is the backside of an apartment building. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Building.
Are you looking for the way? Where you want to go?
Just filming.
Oh, filming only.
Yeah.
I think you missed the way. Okay.
Oh no, I'm good. Thank you. So yeah, check out this. There's all these cages right there, but it's all flat. So those are all caged ones, and then these are just flat windows and cages. A lot of times people will do laundry out there, so they put their laundry, and sometimes they put plants out there, and you can have like that little thing up there. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna just check out more of this. So up here, it looks like there's who knows what this is? It's a big thing right there. Actually, like in the United States, those are have totally different meanings. I don't know what the meaning is here, but in the United States, that's where you would if you see one of those, that's you put money in it, and then you can okay, this looks pretty cool too. I think I've walked out this before. Actually, I can smell oops, from this way. I thought he was going that way. But yeah, this one has all these kind of older apartments here, and which I can smell marijuana right in here. But this looks pretty cool too. Yeah, actually these buildings look amazing. And this little alley is I've walked down it before. It's like pretty cool little space too. Yeah, I think I know exactly where we are too. I was up here recently talking about a video about do Macau people gamble, and when I came down off of this hill, there was some people that were right here, so you might remember that video. But I came down up here and I walked down these stairs, and then I ended up seeing I was right in that spot right there. So I didn't realize that I was in the same spot until I got here again. But yeah, so anyways, you kind of got another little view of the city of Macau, and lots of these little apartments everywhere like this. This is a really dense city, so there's just a lot of density, a lot of stuff, a lot of apartments everywhere. People kind of sandwiched, but it's like really beautiful too though. And we're just gonna walk up. I think right up here there's a little temple, so I want to close this video at this temple that's straight ahead. And there's kind of a bowling alley, and then Lisboa is almost straight ahead. So let's check out this temple right here. See, actually I just also wanted to show you where we are right now. So this is called Rua do Patane. So if you want to look that up, let's just walk around this way. And actually, we also have a lot of wine everywhere in Macau too. So, okay, let's go back. Let's take a look at this temple. So that's a beautiful temple in Macau. And before we end it, I'm just going to show you there's a bowling alley straight this way too. So bowling alley and a roller rink, and then we're going to end the video at that spot. But in tradition with the name of this, we're going to get a little bit sidetracked and show you that last part. But I'm not going to go in because I need to wear a mask and show my health card, which I don't want to do right now. Let me see. That's a little bit further than I thought. Anyways. Yeah, this one right here, there's like a video game hall in here, and there's let's stop. Yeah, there's roller rink right there. So there's roller rink, and then there's a bowling alley, but you have to go in. And I don't really want to do that right now. But anyways, we'll end the video right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.